go side for Wokaka, na for Boya, e dey try for talk say chief, they don't tiffy, na so too with the here say minister for defense. E don land for Kumba, sabi say minister get for go na for small Ekumbe, na for they will get for go turn up some new K2 branch, where e be get for Ibifebi for that side, so for Mayu division, where na place where they call am say Manfe. Yes, so Oga Joseph Beti Asomo just now, e don already land for Kumba, according to Toriwe enter for EM. Now for go put some new K2 branch for that side, so for small Ekumbe, and we hear say place confusion be land after we minister say be land with the aeroplane for that side, so for Fiango Field. Now so too we the talk for Tori for this afternoon for telling us say waiting. Palava insecurity for inside Douala, sote now, na so people that they cash am. Today again, they don't catch some 3 thief boy them where they come up for that side from Konsamba, where they don't thief Okada, whether they want cancel am for Douala. Man, sabi, we go talk that palava this afternoon. Na so too, we go take una talk palava to thief for place where they call am say Pong de Bois, na for Bonaberi side them, where they try for thief inside some person in house. Inside the same story, we go take una go for place where they call am say Melon, where it is home. Chief they don't come out them plenty for see as where they go help people the way they run, come out for Norways and Southways for seeker confusion we land for them. Tori when newspaper then say they talk we go bring this afternoon. Big Patok, it tell we say waiting, say time where woman a ton pay money for house for 1 moon, inside 12 moon, small respect, e no go dey again for massa. Say time where woman a ton pay money for house for 1 moon, inside 12 moon, small respect, e no go dey for massa, e hate. Oga Daniel for we corner here for Mobile Bonakwanwa, nice step. He give me this big part talk for this afternoon. At the turn back small time. As so we talk for now, Minister for Defense, Oga Joseph Beti Asomo, he dey for that side for Southwest, for Meme Division. Now for put new branch for K2 them, where they just put them for inside the cream. We go turn back for that Tori, as so we eye and ear, he dey for downside, they for see way to the pass. As so Joseph Beti Asomo, he dey for that side, so for Meme Division. Now so for Sabise for Tori for this afternoon, we go talk palava for waiting, palava for insecurity for town for Douala. Even as we na Binet capital, so na only so thief. We dey talk all day. Make we take una enter again for inside gendarme unit. Na the 3 boy then this, call the people them. Na the 3 boy then this. Boka Gislaine, where it is so we get Ngwen Jean-Pierre and Epo, na all than that, where it is so they catch them, na the latest people then this way they catch them, then 3. Also here, they come on for that side, so from Konsamba, where they don't just come up for thief some Okada, they enter for inside Douala con the people them, they pick them, now for place where they call them saying Dokoti, now for that side where gendarme people they pick them, where it is so inside the bag, they be get small pistolet, where na pistol gun, you shake a shoot, one way they automatic, and one way they make na for inside Cameroon session, I mean say they make them for country style. So the 3 boy them, as what we talk just now, big people them for gendarme, they don't put them hand. They dis also make investigate. You fit see na their name than that. Boka Gislaine, Ngwen Jean-Pierre, and Epo Jean. So now the 3 boy then this, now the latest one them, where it is so gendarme people they catch them for Sika chapter for thief. Their own crime na say waiting. The thief Okada from Konsamba, they be bring her for Douala, whether na waiting in one pass, gendarme people then say they go put their hand for catch them. Now, apart from say the catch the 3 boy them, una go dey surely ask and say ambassador, waiting, they catch them with them. Make una see the cargo them. Now then that. You see that one, they na shake a shoot, when na for inside Cameroon they make them. Then you get automatic. 1-2 way, na 1 way they buy them. You get bullets, you see knife, now they're closing that. Then that plaster, that one so, now where they use them for block all people they are up. You see plaster no see gun. You see the gun. Bobolo too, yes, I know. Now Bobolo where they take cover all the thing that inside their back. Yes, they carry Bobolo. flop am on top of all the gunners wey you dey see am. So na the work thing dem wey dey catch the people dem on top okada with am. All that thing dem so you dey see am. Plus that bobolo for corner, bobolo gendarme tell we say they cover all the thing dem with am so that they no go wise say e dey so na bobolo wey e dey so e dey for inside the bag wey dem no sabi say gendarme put dey say dey get sense. That sellotape wey you dey see am na wey dey use am lock any man im up wey dey catch am. That sellotape so na dey use am lock any man im up. So na their gun dem that wey dey hold am. The one na the one wey dey make am with im hand. Then the other one na see bullet so for inside. That one na original. E mean say na automatic pistolet wey dey do so shake and shoot. They don't finish with you. So na the work thing dem this for this street boy dem wey gendarme people dey just comot for catch dem just now. We go take una go for Bonaberry, Douala Fork on the people dem. Pont de Bois na so they call the place. Na thief man again. They come for the first store. They check. They see padlock wey get alarm. They run comot for day. They no touch am. They enter for number 2 lock wey e no be dey dem. Una see am no? Then see Jesus e face dey for front door. Thief man no fear. Thief man e no fear Jesus e face for front door. E go for backside. Na the places they go bus box. As so e dey like say they just make the place na make am. They go bus block. Carry thing them, send their hand for see whether they fit carry thing them for outside. You see no? They see Jesus e face, they say if they fit continue, so people they fit hear Jesus fit verse with them. They can't na for backside. They can't broke and see Jesus e face. Now woman that way get stuck for that side for Point de Bois for inside the Chief Robert Mukube Equator. Now for there they go thief so. You see am? So people then for that side thief, people they no even get mind. Make we hear neighbor for that side a talk for Chief Robert Mukube microphone.
Anytime say they don't come broke. I come now, I see them say they don't touch his store. They take all you lock them go and then for backside where they don't broke them. Now neighbor then come now, they remain for here around say 2 o'clock to 6 o'clock for the local store because not be there around. But they not be called police. Because we not be there for that night for court police. I reach now I see a lock here yesterday because I be neighbor. I buy some lock with the ring where alarm they touch my own ring. They jump now my own go touch my neighbor own. They broke them again. But look here, nothing not be there inside in my neighbor own. But now you way they don't touch them, but they don't carry it in there. They just broke all things, take lock them go. So
yes, so na neighbor that for person wey dey thief for your own business place for Pont de Bois na for Bonaberry, Douala for where that one happen for inside Chief Robert Mukube quarter sesep. As so I don't talk for now, any palaver for that side so for Bonaberry, wanna find Chief Robert Mukube, na IBI for ambassador for that side so for Bonaberry. Now so fire for that side from Konsamba country people them, as so I be talk for now. We don't talk this chapter for fire. We did turn back for the fire for seeker say this fire it make another fire to a cash. Now for why that way we did turn back for the fire way a cash from Konsamba side for quarter 2 for corner Hotel du Mongo as so they call them. Now the fire that way a born money house so take time in no day. Sabi say na for seeker say army rescue sesep they be dey them plenty na way this fire they be turn lost am. But sabi say even before the one lost the fire on the people them, the fire if you don't do it work better, if you don't work fine for that side so for inside Konsamba. Now so to army rescue people them, they struggle so they fight, so they last fire last lost. But sabi say the fire no be lost, e want so as way e burn plenty thing them. They be come out small thing them for outside. Small thing the day way they be come out and for outside con the people them as well go see them. You get small materials, you get small thing them clothes and even one chair where they come out and but sabi say the fire be strong. Now for seeker why that way army rescue people then say they begin for go tap some water for corner water where they pass for the house. Now for they way they tap water for see as way they go continue for lousy fire. Now it means say if that water no for be for corner here, it means say that house if for born so they enter say for different side. Sabi say even as well they tap water for that side, the fire it is also enter for different man a house. Make we enter for the different story for man a house. Now poor man, person wey no over get plenty, he be the shidon for corner, he own house to burn. You see am? For seeker that house, you understand? For seeker that house wey catch fire. The man in own house to burn. It means say the fire worker enter for here. see when you see the kind of thing that dey comot, if you say na person wey no over get plenty, e dey only manage na manage, you understand? When fire too enter burn a house, who go pay? Who go pay for the one? See, big house e burn, small house e burn, who go pay now? Country. When the man dey only manage, e life na manage, you understand? Who go pay the kind one dey so? Anyhow, make we left that one for one side. We dey also talk na Asia, our own pass Asia. We talk this palava nyati wey be wan happen na cargo dem that wey e be get for go for some company for inside Douala here, but una sabi wey dey do, the man e pack plenty, then e be wan go pack for different side for move one way e no be get for go for company, you understand? E mean say na nyati thief no, e don pack say dey go na for company, but instead for e for carry and go company, e no go e company, instead wap e go bend na different side. One time they carry the thing go for that side, so for gendarme place for Akwa. Now for day one time say when they carry the cargo then go, so sabi say na thief, that kind of thief no, you understand? The fit tell you say put 10 something, you go put 15 something, then now you be one cut for go pack am for your own store, then you continue for go give the other people them, but they no sabi say people they be follow them for back. Now so they take cash motor, so as soon as they say and way a thief thing them for company, e wan go keep am before e come back. Now the thing that way pass for inside Douala here, oh man, he must to use the hate, but sabi say when you use your hate, so take a wowo, now so too they will pick you. So they dey for that side for commandant means a office just now. Now for the way they continue for talk this palava in the proper. I be talk for now for morning time palava court case for Ezeka country people them. A day like say they get for start the case again all and all. Now 13 people they be accused say they get hand for inside the palava for accident wey happen for 2016 wey train e craze e kill people them. Sabi say the case according to lawyer man, they be dead than 13, but now so na only 11. Driver for train e don enter Sosongo. Even a big man for security e don enter Sosongo. Now the day na only than 2. Now e mean say trouble dey. Sabi say the case e concern people there they be get wound against Camerai train company, you understand? So now as wey people they don devamu small, they say they get for start the case again. It means say they go start for number 0 or square 1, so they go for the end. But now when people they don devamus, it means say some magumagu dey. Sabi say time when governor be comot commission for look inside the palava, governor blame people them for train, say they be over get plenty speed, and even the train itself the cargo don hold. So now all the things that when governor be accused. Now when people they don't start run enter Sosongo, now it means say train people there they look at train, then say their hand no clean. Yes, their hand too no clean. When they don't start keep people then they run. You understand? It means say their own hands no clean for inside this palava way it keep people them, then wound plenty other people them for that side. So for Ezeka. Now they dey talk say make the left people them enter for inside governor office anyhow. When you go from governor office, you talk anything. People them for Konak, they be for governor office yesterday. They go put their own message for day. You dey see that message no? We go turn back for day so that I go see am fine. You understand? They say the one, they say public service. Public service na mean say na governor place no? Say any man wey wan enter public service na free. Anything we want do for them na free, apart from 2 you get for give some small dough. But all thing for them na free. Now we connect peoples with pharmacy gams. All them they be there outside for inside Douala yesterday. They turn governor office other governor office them turn for put the message for them. But true. This thing they can't early or they can't late. Country. This thing so they can't early or they can't late. Or even as you can now. If you help for do wetin, if you help certain something, people that they ask question man if you understand. You understand? They say Konak, now then they fight choco. They no want to say make put the choco. But this thing where they don't put and so, where they don't spend plenty money for tonton put and so, they go respect the commandier. Now question that. Now question that way all money they answer. They kinda late or they kinda how. More come back for this side for inside we own studio for Akwa. Now, one time say make we go straight for that message. Where Pharmacy Gamsi bring am for Douala. and sabi say e get for be for all government officer. Na in that public service njo, public service njo, you understand? Na so they don put am. Now they continue for that message for under. They talk say any kind of way they want to call you, if they want to call you for any kind style, they get their contact for down there. Man, I didn't work as small, so that we see the other side for the message. They say any man wey wan knack you stick number for Konak, the hotline. People they don't even take that number fine. They don't take that number fine. Hotline they when na quick pap. You don't call Konak people them. Where they knack signal for they that hotline they. He said no, they don't take that thing fine. But that number where don't see am. Now you're in the office. Call the office one time. Bam. If they work, fine. If they no work, okay. But now the number that you don't see no. Call Pharmacy-Gam direct. Tell you say that things wey dey happen. Then we still see as well the thing go happen. Now our own that we dey follow as well they talk. Any man wey is slight, if place kene you fall for down, we too go follow you, we fall for down. Make we take una go now so for Melon country people them. Chief for Mongo them all the day for inside Melon as so they talk just now. Now for their own way for help people them for that side so for Norwest and Southwest so they don't run enter for Melon. Now then that where they day for inside Melon. Sabi say for Sika Palava for confusion where they happen for Norwest Southwest. Plenty of them they don't run. So for Melon side they don't gather plenty chop. For Gi and for these people there they shidon for inside Melon where they come. For can shidon for Melon. For Sika fear for their mind. For different sides. So chief them for Mungo them all the day for inside Melon. As well the talk now so for here for see as well the fee help their brother them and sister the way they run come up for Norwest and Southwest Ngando it is also passed for that side so for Melon as well the talk just now Syringe Jemba Sesep it day for that side as well this Palabam it dey happen. Make we hear some of the people them where it dey so they come out for take that job we chief them for Mongo division they join hand for Gi and for people them for Norwest Southwest. They talk for Syringe Jemba in microphone.
Thank Cameroon government for the way it step we are help we thank Cameroon government, we thank all the Cameroon population. We are thanking everybody who put hand for we because we there for now we know they will. Yes. So as government don't take don't call for all Cameroonians and for support. We thank government plenty. This is a very good way for do and for we. Melo people they don't take we fine as brother. We don't get no problem for Melo here. They take we as brother, as sister. So they don't take we. They don't say all Cameroon is one. Cameroon is not being a different, no different Cameroon and no different. We talk English, we talk French, we like to talk which language. As so far as we dey inside Melo here, and then a Cameroonian.
With life as we come, we have to manage with God, trust in God. God will bring for that side to take control.
Yes, now for me long way that one the pass, as so the talk for this side. Now also make we enter for Fako, make we take on a go for Victoria, where they don't get their new chief. This one it happen at 13 a.m. After we chair for chief, it they empty since we chief. It go for worker. So just now, people them for Victoria or you want call and Limbe, they don't get their new chief. Sabi say palava for the chief. It happened for Limbe council side yesterday for their council hall. Now for the way they so they put new chief for chair. And just now, after 13 years, chief it don't be for inside Limbe. Make we hear now wait till the new chief. He talk for Davidson Maimo a microphone.
CC for 13 years after when my uncle died, later Chief Ferguson. The family first, after some time, finally designate me. But you know, for a town like Victoria or Limbe, as we want to call them, we get a multiplicity of cultures, of people, of ideas. You know, everybody think we own different way, and so it will be difficult for come together or make a choice of who will be chief. And we thank God say at the end of the day, he worked fine yesterday. There was only one candidate, which was me, and SEO be declared me as the next chief. You will agree with me, say for this past 13 years, things never be the same. You know, a town where you not get a leadership, and with more than 30 quarters, see, I say it be very difficult for coordinate activities for these quarters. Any man they do his own thing, any side they go his own side. So that the first thing that we get for do.
Yes, we go turn back for the new chief for Victoria after 13 years. The other part for Itoriwe Nakam with Davidson Maimu. For that side for Limbe, when we turn back for here tomorrow. Make we enter for Toriwe newspaper, then say they talk this afternoon. The Voice newspaper where they for outside, it talk as we come and brew them, to them. They don't start enter nana for inside hospital for find people the way they call and say terrorism. According to The Voice, they tell you say don't make them, doctor them, nurse them, even sick people then all they don't run come up for hospital, even below hospital, all place it don't empty. Now so to the talk palava for vote for 2018, according to The Voice, it dey like person wey dey go catch fish wey water it strong very bad. According to The Voice, they talk say Nkunkuma, he never so talk whether he go enter for vote for 2018. All the tori then so plus other one, The Voice, he carry am for his skin. Even palava that video wey don dey turn for social media wey dey show say na Ketu dem for Cameroon, they be the worries on woman. Ngomna Togman, he don knack am for table for talk say na big pom. We enter for the Sun newspaper 2 a day for outside, country people them inside the Sun newspaper, waiting the Sun, it tell we to them, the Sun, it tell we say waiting, say CPDM, say the so day now for M, palava for vote for 2018 for Genyu Nkunkuma. They no sabi whether na the political bureau or na Congress it go happen for talk who they want put am for before like their own candidate. They say John Elufamanga Williams, Tori Ojoto Kanana, she done on top the empty chairway chief for Victoria Ibilebam. This one it happen after 13 years with that side. It no be even one chief. They tell we too as we Monday, country Sunday. Ebide na palava bullet wey turn for the whole boyam and na so to plenty people them they decry now for sika the plenty that way be happen for northwest and southwest. Other tori the day for inside the Sun where you feel for read them. Make we enter for the post weekender where it dey for outside. Inside the post weekender they tell we say vote General Assembly where go be na one for vote for new people then for inside lawyer association. It go happen for November moon according to where the post weekend I talk. Inside the post weekend too, they tell we as we Mayor Ekema Patrice he put boya for inside confusion. He vamoose, he go for Nigeria side as we people they decry. The post weekend SSF, he tell we say lawyer man and plenty other people than just now. They question them, they do investigate on top their head for Sika Commissioner wey be die for that side so for Kumba. The post weekender, he get other to read them for inside the skin. Last story we will look for inside na the guidance post where it dey for outside country people them. The guidance post where dey for outside today, waiting there for a own tron number. It's a vote for 2018 for get new Nkunkuma. CPDM, it shows say the fit so turn the win. After we opposition people them, they don't decide say wetin, they no go join one mob for drag rope with Nkunkuma. Inside the same story, they tell we say Limbe, he don't get new big man or new chief after 13 years where their own first chief he go waka. Now so to honorable them, councillor them say they go so she done for on top their chair for another 12 moon. Woman, he chop waiting, he bite Reverend Father ear for Sika palava for lovey. All the tori then so e dey for the guidance post where e dey for outside this time. Plus as well they tell we 6 motor company them they don't give the suspend after say they never write their name for book and say they fit make people, plenty people them they get accident. Now the tori then that where we see am for this afternoon so country people them we get one announce for make am person wey don lost. This girl, they calling am Gankam Yualu Elvira Brunel. He get 16 years and he lost for number 8 day for inside this moon around 6 o'clock for night for quarter wey they call am say Brazzaville for Hotel Boulevard. Now for the way he dem. They say this Ngondere country people them, they talk better. Emmanuel Macron country talk, and even country talk for people that they come up for Bafang. And this speaking, they say time will be come up for house. He be wear some long clothes so he get plenty flour on top his skin, and he wear some slippers where he red for color. So Oga Yualu Idibek, Yualu Emmanuel Idibek, any man, any person where he don't see this a Pekin, 16-year Pekin. Say make you call this thing number them 678-533-217-694-147-606. Say plenty dash et the waiting. Monsieur Yualu Emmanuel annonce la disparition de sa fille, la nommée Ngankam Yualu Elvira Brunel, âgée de 16 ans, le dimanche 8 juillet 2018, aux environs de 18h, au quartier Brazzaville, 6 au lieu dit Hôtel Boulevard. Elle s'exprime parfaitement en langue française et en bafang. Au moment de sa disparition, elle était vêtue d'une robe florée, jean avec des babouches rouges. Monsieur Yualu prie toute personne qui hébergerait sa fille de bien vouloir contacter au numéro suivant 678 533 217 694 147 606 contre une très forte récompense. So, now the story than that for this afternoon. Make una stay fine. If you dey for on top table, chop your chop fine. Una hold am tight.